Or I should film it this way. Okay, go ahead.
I open this?
Go ahead, yeah.
I open this?
Sure.
I like the music. This thing, am I supposed to move this? Can I move this? What? Can I? Otherwise I can't move the pieces. Oh, I know what's gonna happen. There's gonna be a hole here. Ah, I see. I see. Let me stand up. Oh, I see the opening. Oops. Ah!
Yay!
Now,
You did it.
put this in here. What's gonna happen? I did it. Am I supposed to look for something secret? What is that? What is in there? I don't want to use a clue. That makes me like not smart. Is there hints in here, or is this just look outside the box? So I don't want to be in here. I can open this? Why didn't you tell me to open this? So am I supposed to plug this in? What's that gonna do? Am I pull this? No. You can move. Can it? Oh! Oh, shit. Is this open now? Oh, it's like a key. Whoa. Oh my god. Why did it take me so long to figure that out? See, when you're under pressure, you don't think like properly.
Mm-hmm.
Did you invent this whole story? This doesn't help me very much. Well, we better check for... Oh! There's secrets. Okay, so do I gotta do something with the fishy? That's just a symbol. Is it one of those symbols? No. Whoa. There's more. Key. Oh, key? Oh. To make them kiss or something? There's nothing to physically do. What am I supposed to do? I don't understand. Just turn? Oh. Wait a minute. Wait, this moves. I don't want to break it. Was it like a maze? Okay. This I think that's a red duck or a
Red herring.
That's a gentle hand will rule the land. Oh, what? Is it supposed to be open? Wait, I did it? Wait, what did I do? Yeah, that was right, because it would have been locked in under there. Holy moly. Oh man, there's too many things. And this one doesn't come with a letter. 4 4 6 6 6 6 3 3. Doesn't do anything. So open 2. Clue 2.
Yeah. If you need it.
I need it. These are cool.
Yeah.
A familiar 4-digit combo brings me back home. My address or something? I don't understand. The clue did not help. Whoa. was I supposed to guess that? How was I supposed to guess that? Hello? Okay, so now I think we know what we gotta do.
The thing ended.
Oh no, the pirate soundtrack.
Yeah.
It's time. This symbol, the hook, which is... Oh, but there's this somewhere. Somewhere told me to put one here. For sure, Whoa. Where? That was like on the top or something. Somewhere it said that one, so I have a good memory. And then we this one. There's another one, right? I know there was another one under here. But I don't know if I'm supposed to steal it. No, that's not it. That ain't it. Can I open that? Wait, is it supposed to open? Should I just pull this out? Whoa. My dear Pollywag. Congrats on becoming a true treasure tracker like your grandpappy. I hope you can make these seas cower at the Deadeye name once again. Pop, pop.
Yay!
Can I open this?
Yeah. Birthday card. Maybe I should stop filming. I'll
Okay.
take this off.
Good job.
Yay!